corner.
Bless you.
I'm not good leaving
Bless
today.
you.
There's a sneezing
Bless
dog.
you.
Yeah.
That's a sneeze. What she did
It's a
with a
sneezing
sneeze.
doggy. Yeah, it's a sneezing puppy. Yeah.
See, there it goes again.
Yeah, it's a sneezing puppy. That's so adorable.
She was sneezing.
Guys can subscribe to me.
Give me a tail. Give me a poodle. Give me that tail.
Stop itching her butt.
I'm not hitting her butt. I'm grabbing her tail.
Oh, wow, she's trying to bite your butt. What the heck is wrong with you? Stop doing stuff at her. Anyway, guys,
Let her go grab. Chase it.
that is
I'm not going to be me. I'm chasing her. Make her chase
dog
it.
thing ever.
Grab your toys. Grab your toys.
David, please stop biting the dog.
I'm not biting the dog.
No, I meant throwing stuff at the dog, you know.
I'm trying to make it play catch. Fetch.
Oh, anyway, guys, that's all.
But she's on play fetch. Or catch.
They pull out and watch this.
She's a big poopy head.
Oh, forget it now. I'm just going to say goodbye to you guys. And goodbye. Oh, dang it!